Welcome to IDC Auditorium. Please follow the instructions in this video carefully to operate the sound system here. Let's get started. This is the mixer. This is the microphone receiver. These are the wireless microphones. This is the amplifier. This setup has mixer, amplifier, mics, receiver, and speakers. Turn the power outlet on. Ensure the volume controls are kept at 0 position, which is the 7 o'clock position. Turn on the power button of the amplifier. Ensure all channels are in off position. These are the channel switches. This is off position and this is on position. Make sure they are all off. These are the faders. Make sure all the faders are kept in the lowest position. Turn on the power button of the mixer. The LED light will turn on. This is the master fader. Default position will be at the lowest. Turn on master. The decibel levels are marked near the fader. Increase the fader. The master should be kept at -5. By default, the wireless microphones are connected to the first and second channel. Make sure pad is off. Make sure gain knobs are at lowest, which is the 7 o'clock position. Turn on channels for mic 1 and 2 as per requirement. Make sure the ST buttons are on. Turn on the PFL button to check the levels. Turn on the mic and speak into the mic to check PFL levels. Gain of the specific mic is to be adjusted to increase the level. The level should not exceed the yellow bar. Adjust the knob to keep it just below the yellow bar. This needs to be adjusted for each person depending on the level of their voice. If anyone is speaking with high variations in sound level, we may need to use compressor to level the volume. Increase compressor knobs to keep the PFL bar below yellow in such cases. Else, keep it 0. Turn off the PFL button. Now we can increase the output levels in the amplifier. These knobs are for the left and right channels respectively. Turn both knobs to around 70%, which is the 2 o'clock position. Increase the right channel, which is knob 2, a point higher as the travel distance is longer to that one. Now slowly increase the fader of the mic to a convenient level. Speak into the mic and ensure the volume by adjusting the fader. These are the equalizer knobs. These are lows, mids, and highs. Usually, they are kept at neutral positions, which is the 12 o'clock position. These can be adjusted as per requirement. If any effects like reverb is required, there are preset effects in the mixer. Turn on the effect channel. The selected effect can be individually controlled for each mic with these knobs. Adjust the effect fader to control the amount of overall effects. Make sure all the PFL buttons are off. Dial down all the faders. Dial down the master fader. Turn off all the channels. turn off master. Dial down all the gains. Keep all the equalizer and effects dials to default positions. Do not turn off the mixer yet. Dial down both the knobs on the amplifier to 0. Turn the amplifier off using the button in the front. Now we can turn off the mixer.